हमारे अगले मुकर्रर हैं अब्दुल्ला, क्लास 10 साइंस स्कूल गुजरांवाला। अब्दुल्ला।
Honorable guests and respected audience, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सूरज की निगाहों से निगाहों को मिलाओ, सूरज की निगाहों से निगाहों को मिलाओ, ज़र्रों से उलझने को शुजात नहीं कहते। I stand before you today with a heavy heart, reflecting on the burning passion that continues to stir within the mind and soul of millions across the world. These lines that open our discussion, the heart burn for the Syria and Palestine, resonate deeply, especially in the current geopolitical situation. These words spoken with the sense of profound longing, pain, encapsulate the struggling, the suffering, and the unyielding spirit of people for the land like Syria and Palestine. It is no secret that these regions have endured the decades of conflicts, oppression, and injustice. The destruction in Gaza is on the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Syria. It is not blamable, and yet despite the suffering, the world has not fully awakened to the urgency of their plight. This region does not have just geographical location, but struggling for dignity, human rights, and justice. When we think that people live in this land, we cannot help him but feel a burning pain within us. A pain for those who have lost their homes, families, and dreams. Palestinians struggling for freedom, justice. For decades, Palestinians face oppressions and human rights, etc. These words, spoken with a sense of profound longing, Iqbal encapsulates the spirit of resilience in his poetry. सलीबी अहद की परछाइयाँ फिर रंग ले आई, सलीबी अहद की परछाइयाँ फिर रंग ले आई, इलाहुल आलमीन कोई मताउद्दीन पैदा कर, सदाएं मस्जिद अक्सा के मीनारों से आती हैं, उम्रे फरूक पैदा कर, सलाहुद्दीन पैदा कर। These lines resonate with profoundly struggling for Palestinians, urging us to recognize that their fight for liberation. They reflect our belief that even in the more desolate situation, hope can flourish. And why must nature, how hope, how are suffering? Our Palestinian brethren have faced upper brutality of Israel armed force. They need our support. In conclusion, I urge each of you to reflect on struggling faced by the Palestinian and Syria peoples. Let us become their voice, their allies, and their advocates. आखिर में मैं इस आखिरी शेर के साथ इजाज़त चाहूँगा। ये शाखे गुल ही ऊंची है न चमने बुलबुल, ये शाखे गुल ही ऊंची है न चमने बुलबुल, तेरी कोताही हिम्मत तेरी किस्मत की पस्ती है। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।